My dearest child, miracles will unfold before your eyes. Expect things to instantly change for the better in the most unexpected ways. Suddenly, everything will just happen for you. Have faith in the unseen and believe that your breakthrough is coming. Type yes if you needed this. Everything always turns out okay in the end. Even in the moments when you had no idea how or if things would work out. Well, here you are. You may not be where you want to be, but you are well on your way. Type yes if you needed this. If you focus on your fears about the future, you project that out into the universe, unknowingly giving it momentum. Instead, project success, abundance, and happiness out. Your thoughts are so powerful. Type yes if you needed this. And also subscribe God Manifesto 1111.